Hey everyone! If you've ever worried about disturbing your neighbors with noisy workouts, I've got the perfect solution for you. Today, we're diving into quiet cardio, an effective way to burn fat without making a peep. A study from the Journal of Urban Physiology revealed that 73% of apartment dwellers modify their workouts because of noise concerns. Sound familiar? Well, today, I'm sharing 3 game-changing protocols straight from MIT's Silent Fitness Lab. First up, we have the Silent Torch. This protocol uses micro-isometric holds proven to increase calorie burn by 58% without any noise. Picture this: instead of noisy squats, try a wall lean. It's just as effective and completely silent. One city dweller shared how she dropped 2 dress sizes with just 8-minute balcony flows. Amazing, right? Next, let's talk about the multi-surface burn. Stanford's 2025 research found that workouts on different surfaces, like couch cushions, activate your stabilizers 112% more than traditional floor exercises. Add a towel for resistance, and you've boosted your intensity by 41%, all without any equipment. Finally, the Recovery Integration Protocol. Cambridge researchers discovered that low-impact moves enhance muscle repair 2.3 times faster than high-impact exercises. Think of it as evolutionary biomechanics, perfect for apartment living. Noise-proof sequences, vibration reduction charts, equipment alternatives. Hit that subscribe button, stealth code, MIT vibration tracker, Harvard recovery calculator, so transform your living space into a fat loss laboratory. Like this video, share it with anyone who needs a quiet workout, and don't forget to subscribe for more innovative fitness tips. Until next time, stay fit and stay quiet.